Guys, today, I'll try to swap this for a Chinese burger. In every episode, fans ask what printer I use. I mostly use the Bambu Lab P1S. For a model maker like me, it's really worry-free. Prints rarely fail. High precision. It fully meets my detail demands. If you're looking for a reliable 3D printer, you can consider this one. Packing up my bags. The moment I leave home. I know real life has many specials. If you see, I shouldn't be too cold. I'm sentimental. Hello. Hey, is your manager here? The manager isn't here. Well, it's like this. Can I trade something for a meal set? Can I show you what I have? Sorry, the manager isn't available for trade. When will he be back? The manager is off today, right? Yeah, that's right. Do you want to see the camera? You should ask him. Let me show you the item. Then can you ask about it? Right? Yes. So, can I show it to you? This is a model I made of your store. Wait, and I wanted to mention that fantastic lion. Miss, I made a model for your store. Look. It's a model of your store. I wanted to say. Oh, I see. Before the live stream, let's check. Okay. Sorry to trouble you. Oh dear, the manager is still asking for approval. It's okay, I can wait. Can you do this? Our manager also needs to ask. Reporting to the higher-ups. Oh, sure, no problem. I usually like this brand a lot. Yes, it's okay. Right. It's really 3D. Look at my work. It uses your brand's auspicious cloud pattern. Yes. So I placed it nearby. Do you think my work is okay? It's pretty good. Thank you. Did you use a 3-piece set first? Yes, for modeling. Then print with the 3-piece set. Yeah, I didn't use 3D Max. I used Cienfone. 3D Max is fine too. Both are okay. Have you learned this? 3D Max. Oh, impressive. Yes, 3D Max can be swapped. Right, our manager reported it to the company. I can't see it. I'm really sorry. It's not possible. Yeah, I'm truly sorry. Actually, I like you too. I really like you. But the computer, we don't have it. The computer has been reported. Oh, alright. Congratulations. It's fine. Sorry about that. Okay then. Okay. My apologies. No problem. Then I'll just take it away. Sorry again. Bye-bye. Mom. It's fine. No worries. Goodbye. Challenge failed. Guys, tell me what you want to see next in the comments. See you in the next episode.